Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Jane, and today we'll take a look at bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. Today's pose article features bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. According to Hatha Yoga, bound angle pose is known as the destroyer of diseases. It is a beginning level asana, a seated hip opener, and practice in many styles of yoga. It is a generous stretch for most, targeting hips, inner groins, knees, and for some, the feet. It strengthens the entire backside of the body as well as your core and stimulates Root Chakra Muladhara Chakra, which grounds and connects us to earth energy. Hi there, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Baddha Konasana, wide angle pose. So please come into a seated position. And then take the feet together, allowing your knees to splay wide. Good. She's going to grab a hold of her ankles and let her feet actually open up like the center of a book away from each other. Use the strength of your arms to pull your spine into your body so that your sternum lengthens away from your navel and your collarbones broaden east to west. You'll notice she's not rounding, she's pulling the back body into the front body, which is an essential element. If she was rounding, which she's not, but if she was, I'd take a blanket underneath her sitting bones to lift the hips slightly higher than the knees so that it would be more readily available for her to pull her spine in. So lengthen from your inner groins to your inner knees, and then loop that action around your outer knee to your outer hip. So lengthen from inner groin to knee, and traction, contract from your outer knee to your outer hip. You can imagine that this is the standing pose in Bhadrasana. Same exact shape, same exact actions. Take a few more breaths. Your gaze is steady and smooth. The breath is like a metronome, reliable and consistent, and the effects of a smooth, steady breath affects your nervous system. So the shape of the pose without the breath is irrelevant. It's only when we have the breath that the pose comes alive and becomes therapeutic and beneficial. Take one more final breath in, and then gently release the shape. We thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.